Guys, um, changing 2004 Toyota Sequoia headlight bulb. First step is to go into the bulb housing and pull out, see this piece, and you just have to shake it, wiggle it up and down, sideways, and it should come out. Very difficult to record. There we go. Okay, as you can see, let me show you one more angle. This is the piece we were trying to remove. Okay, successful. Next step is to remove this plastic housing cover, which is just pull it out. It just comes up like a bottle cap, just comes out like that. Okay, put that right here. Next step is to see this pin right here, push this in and then slide it out, and you open the door like this, and the bulb should come out. Okay, ready to come out. Oops, dropped it. Doesn't matter, changing the bulb. Here's the old bulb. Here's using both hands on the camera. Okay, here's the bulb. You slide the bulb in, and it's a little tight room here, so as you can see this. Nope, didn't get it. Okay, so it has to line up in this angle. Okay, one more time. Here we go. Yep. Nope. Unable to line it up. Main issue is that it's a tighter space where you're ended up. Turn it in. Nope. So if you don't line up the right way, the spring won't close, so you have to retry it one more time. Here we go. This is the right way. These two, see right, these two right here, these two nipples will have to be on the top. Now you just go and put the clip on. Next step is to install this housing. Make sure the top portion comes on the top. Okay, push that in right away. And the last thing is to connect the harness, and that should make the light bulb work. What a successful day. Change the light bulb and the fog lights.